Hello viewers, welcome to LinuxSimply. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete MySQL user in Ubuntu. So let's dive in. There are two different cases of deleting MySQL user in Ubuntu. The first one is deleting an idle MySQL user, and the second one is deleting an active MySQL user. At first, I'm going to show you the deletion process of an idle MySQL user. So for this, I'm going to open Ubuntu terminal. Now I'm going to log into the root user of the MySQL server. MySQL-u root-b. MySQL-u logs into the MySQL server with the specified username. Root is the username of the MySQL account, and option P asks for the password for the user account. Now I'm tapping on the enter button, and now I have to type the password of the root user. Tapping the enter button again. Now let's see which users are in the MySQL server. So for this, I'm typing select user host from MySQL.user and a semicolon. Select is a query to view data from MySQL tables, and the user and the host or the column names selected from the specified table, and from indicates the table name to run SQL, and here user is the name of the database table to run the query. So now I'm tapping on the enter button. As you can see, these are the users of the MySQL server, and I want to remove this RNV user from the MySQL server. So let's do it. Drop user RNV. This is the username at host name, which is localhost, and a semicolon. Now I'm pressing the enter button. As you can see, it says the query is okay. So I hope it is deleted, but to verify, I'm going to use the previous command again. Select user host from MySQL.user and a semicolon. Pressing the enter button again. As you can see, that RNV user no longer exists. And now to exit from the MySQL server, I'm going to use exit command. So tapping the enter button again. As you can see, this is how you can delete an idle MySQL server from the Ubuntu system. Now I'm going to show you how to delete an active MySQL user in Ubuntu. For this, I'm going to need Ubuntu terminal, and now I'm going to log into the user I want to delete. So MySQL-u and the username, which is Sylvie-b. And this is the same process as before. And instead of root, I have written here the username Sylvie, as I want to delete this by logging into this system. That's why. So now tapping on the enter button, and I have to type the password of this Sylvie account. And now I'm tapping on the enter button. As you can see, I have logged into the Sylvie user. Now I want to switch to the root user account of MySQL server. System MySQL issue root p. This system executes commands from the operating system shell, and the other commands are known to you as I have explained before. So now I'm tapping on the enter button and the password of the root account, and now I'm tapping on the enter button. After logging into the root user, I want to see the process IDs, so I'm typing another command, show process list, and a semicolon. This show process list displays a list of active connections and sessions running on a MySQL server. So for this, I'm using this command, and now I'm tapping on the enter button. As you can see, these are the current active users in the MySQL server. Now I'm typing another command, which is kill 33. Here kill is the termination process of particular session, and 33 is the ID of the user. So as I want to terminate this Sylvie, and that's why I'm using its ID here and using this killing process. So tapping on the enter button. Okay, I forgot to use that semicolon, so tapping enter again. Yes, the query says it's okay. So to delete the desired MySQL user account, I'm using this drop user and the username, which is Sylvie, at, and the host name, which is localhost, and the semicolon. Don't forget to use this. Okay, the query says okay, but to verify, I have to use another command, just like the previous one. So let's verify this. Select user host from mysql.user and semicolon. I'm pressing the enter button again. As you can see that Sylvie user no longer exists here, and to exit from the MySQL server, I'm using this exit command and pressing the enter button. As you can see, this is how you can delete user accounts of MySQL server in Ubuntu. Try this out and let me know in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Bye bye.